All right. In this problem, we're going to find the area of the blue rectangle. And we have three circles that are congruent to each other inside the rectangle. They are tangent to each other and also tangent to the rectangle. If you want to try to solve this on your own, pause the video because I'm going to solve this in just a few seconds. If you find this video interesting, please send it to a friend who also might find it interesting. Okay, here we go. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to find the length of the rectangle here. These two circles are tangent to each other. So I know that if I draw a radius in here and a radius over here, that each of those are going to be 2. And then I'm going to connect the center of the circles. And I know that each one of those radii are also 2. So now I know that the length of the rectangle is going to be 8 feet. The next step is I'm going to draw a radius coming down from the center of the circle, which I know is 2, and a radius going up from the center of this circle to the top, which I also know is 2. So now what I need to do is I'm going to connect the centers of these circles. And each of those radii are also 2. So now what I really need to know is the height of that triangle. Because if I add the height of that triangle to the 2 on the top and the 2 on the bottom, that's going to get me the width of this rectangle. So what I have here is I have an equilateral triangle. Each side is going to be 4 feet. If I drop the height from an equilateral triangle, it's going to come down, bisect the base. So this is going to be 2, and that's going to be 2. And then what I can do is I can use a Pythagorean Theorem on that triangle there, or I can use 30, 60, 90 rules to find the height. I'll just stick to the Pythagorean Theorem on this one. 2 squared plus the height squared is equal to 4 squared. 4 plus h squared equals 16. H squared equals 12. H is going to equal 2 root 3. So this dotted line is 2 root 3 plus the 2 on the top and the 2 on the bottom. That is going to be 4 plus 2 root 3 is my width. And now I'm just going to use the area formula of a rectangle. Area equals length times width. Area equals 8 times 4 plus 2 root 3. So the area is going to be 32 plus 16 root 3 in parentheses feet squared. I think that's a really cool problem. If you enjoyed this video and like to see more, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you on the next video.